All right, hello, welcome back. On this episode of MathMeowTics, we're going to talk about something kind of fun here. We're going to talk about using binomials in some short, quick mental maths. Here I have 39 squared. Yeah, you can use a calculator and you can just plug this in and give you a calculator. But in reality, we can make this even easier because if we think about this in terms of 39, well, let's think about what's close to 39. 40 is close to 39. And if I do 40 minus 1, that will give me 39. So I can think about this and rewrite this as 40 minus 1. Oops, hold on. 40 minus 1. And it's squared, so I'm going to square it like we did there. Now, what does that look like? That looks like a binomial, a perfect square binomial. So my a value here would be 40. My b value would be 1. And so my binomial is 2 is a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So then that's going to be 40 squared minus 2 times a, which is 40, times b, which is 1, plus b squared, which is going to be 1 squared. So 40, let's see, okay. So that, we're not going to get out of that being a big number. Let's just keep going here. So we got 40 squared minus 80 plus 1. Let's see if we can do this quickly. So 40 times 40 will give us, we know that 4 times 4 is what? So we know that 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And I know if I'm dealing with a 10 times 10, that will give me 1,000. So I can use the mental math and say 40 times 40, which will give me 1,600. So now I can rewrite this as 1,600 minus 80 plus 1. That's much easier for me to deal with in terms of talking about a number. So now just 1,600 minus 80. So that's just going to give me, I can look at 100. 100 minus 80 will give me 20. So if I know that I subtracted 100 from 1,600, then I know that I'm going to be left with 500. So that's going to give me 1,520 plus 1. So then that's going to give me 1,521. That's a quick, fun way to deal with something that's a big number, such as 39 and the square of it, and not even have to put it in the calculator. All right? Now I'm going to do problem number 2. Here we have the product of a sum and a difference. Now if we remember our formula, it's going to be a squared minus b squared. Now, so we're going to write the original product. So we have x squared plus 8 times x squared minus 8. Now we want to identify which terms correspond to a and b. So a is going to be equal to x squared and b is going to be equal to 8. So now I'm going to substitute in for my rule. So then that's going to give me x squared and then squared minus 8 squared. So now I'm going to simplify. So that's going to give me x to the 4th minus 64. Done. Quick, easy, right? Easy money. All right. I will see you in the next video where I talk about problem number 5.